So what's up guys, I'm Kinnan Pant and I'm back with another unboxing video. So today I'm gonna unbox Boat Smartwatch Vertex, which is this new generation's awesome smartwatch. So today I'm gonna unbox it and show you its contents and how the smartwatch works. So let's start. So first I'll show you the box. So here you can see 4.29 centimeters 2.5D display, customizable watch faces which you can change from its app Boat Crest, and multiple sports modes. So these are the three things written here. This is the Boat logo and this is the main watch, and at the back it has some information, so it is not useful. So let's start to unbox it. So I will take off the cover, and it has this sponsor brand ambassador card which comes with all uh, boat uh, things, all boat accessories like earphones, watches, speakers. These cards come with them. Next is the inner core of the box. So I'll remove this white cover, and then is the same. No, this is different. So this is the user manual guide, which is very important for people who are using a smartwatch for the first time. So using this you can start the watch using the guides written in this, and it has also written the modes and other variety of things available in this smartwatch like flashlight, blood oxygen, camera control. So you can read these, and if you need help then you can take help from this guide to start your smartwatch. Then it comes with a magnetic charger. So you have to put this side of this adapter into a charger brick, and this is a magnetic charger pin, so it will attach to the smartphone. Now I will come to the smartwatch. So this is the smartwatch. As you can see, this is the smartwatch. So I will keep this aside and I'll first show you the bottom contents of this box. So I will take off this watch like structure here. So it has a warranty card. It also comes with all boat accessories. I already told you this is same warranty card. Then it comes with a screen protector for the smartwatch, and then another this kind of thing for boat brand ambassador. So this is the same kind of thing it comes with, or I think I have put extra one from my earphone in this, so no problem. So now I'll wear the smartphone on my hand and then show you how it works. So guys, I have wear the watch, and I forgot to tell you that this boat watch also comes with a sticker which I have put on my boat earphone because it was shooting on this. So now I will come to the smartwatch. So this is our smartwatch, and I've already put a wallpaper using the phone. So it has an app and you can control it, not 100% but most of the apps in this smartwatch are controlled by the app in my mobile. So here's the music, camera, which this smartwatch doesn't have a camera, but it takes photos what your camera is displaying. So if you take a photo from a camera and you're connected to the smartwatch, the photos will save in the smartwatch. Next is activity workout, and you can open a new workout, and then it has different modes: walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, etc. So then it has stay still, so it will measure your heartbeat. So this comes with almost all smartwatches, and this is bottom of it has detailed statistics of your heartbeat. I have 87 currently. sleep mode. This mode is also available in most of the smartwatches nowadays. And then test apps. This is a very common thing also in smartwatches. Then so now they're complete. And if I scroll down at the home screen, or sorry, hold, then you can choose from the wallpaper. So I'll keep this. So if you hold, you can change the wallpapers from the app or on the watch only. Then if you scroll down on the home screen, the apps will come in a group, in a line sequence. So messages, steps, sleep, activity, heart rate, SPO, which I showed you, blood oxygen meter, O2 meter, camera, music, breathe, flashlight, and settings. So flashlight I will show you. This is the flashlight. It is not very that much powerful, but still it works. So I'll go with flashlight. And then settings. And in settings you have stopwatch, alarm, timer, brightness, vibration, filter, reset, power off, and other things. And then if you come at the home screen again and scroll down from the upside, so you will see iPhone like structure which you see in Apple phones. So it stopped. So it has reset, vibration, brightness, torch, flashlight, theater, alarm, settings. So these kind of things this watch has. So now I will show you how it works from the app. So here now I have opened the app, and you can download this app from Play Store or App Store. And if you want to use this app, you need to connect a smartwatch to the smartphone using Bluetooth. So you have to do nothing in the smartwatch. You only have to on Bluetooth in the smartphone, then smartwatch and connect. So now I'll show you the modes in the app. So it has the same modes like in the smartwatch, but it shows a detailed statistics of the things you done in the smartphone on a bigger screen. So here are the activities, view history. I can see, but I have no recent activities. At the home it has heart rate, sleep, which I just measured 87, and wellness crew, and it has modes, so I will not start. It comes with the modes in the smartwatch. Then it has achievements, ranks, and badges. This is a side feature. And here it has settings. So my profile I have not made. So watch faces I can select from default. You can download and put cloud also, like these. And background I have put this, and you can put you can select a photo, and customizable you can also select like time, position, above, below, time, text color, like these. And then settings, about device, so you can all control it from your smartphone, and Google Fit also. So it is a side option also. And here if you come on the fifth button, here are the vitals, dashboard, step, heart rate, SpO2, sleep, BMI. So these kinds of things, and you can measure them at a very detailed path. You can measure these things at a very detailed screen. So these were all the features of the phone I wanted to show you. And if you want to charge the phone, you need your charging pin like this, and it has two holes here, so you can plug them like this, but you need to align it correctly. So then it will attach like this, and then you need to put the pin in your charging brick, and then it will easily charge. So guys, if you like the review, or you can say unboxing mainly, of this smartwatch, then please put a like on this video. And if you own this smartwatch, sorry, I said it again. So if you own this smartwatch, comment down below how was your experience. And if you want to buy this smartwatch, you can buy from Amazon, Flipkart, or any other shopping website. And I personally like this smartwatch. I've never really seen a smartwatch, so this is the first time for me. So that's all for the video. Comment down below your opinions, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.